social media marketing. First of all, organic. Second one is paid social media marketing. Some of my clients want to know which is the best way to promote ourselves without spending money. Let's see. First of all, you have to create your company's profile everywhere on every social media platform. For example, Google My Business, YouTube, Snapchat, ShareChat, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. etc. You can do article submission, blog submission, directory submission, which is a part of SEO, but still you can use to make your company's profile here. You have to use 10 to 20 hashtags in every post. Always try to share video content of the product because video is the most probably high consuming content in the world. You can join Max to Max Facebook group. For example, if I am a home decor company, I can join Home Decor Ideas or Home Decor Distributor group, which is a relevant audience for my business. End of the video, I would like to say something. Everything takes time to grow itself. You have to do hard work, especially when you are a startup company. Thank you for watching.